How to present a good research paper. Part 1. Important steps in publishing a research paper. This is a 5-part series on how to present a good research paper from iManager Publications. Publishing a research paper takes time and effort, and it is important for authors and researchers to understand the steps they need to follow. The following are some important steps to consider when publishing a research paper. Scope of the research. It is to be determined at the beginning of your research process prior to data collection stage to set the context. Relevancy to the journal. Check whether the research paper is suitable to the journal and if it has published relevant research. Research base. Set your research base properly through the literature review and cite relevant references. Research importance. Focus on why this research is important and emphasize the research gap. Similarity percentage. The similarity percentage should be well within limits according to the journal's requirement. Reference citation. All references are to be cited with proper in-text citation according to the journal's requirement. Research outcome. Discuss the research outcome on the basis of the research results and compare with existing studies. Future scope and global perspective. Point out the future scope of the research and its implications. Publishing ethics. Be sure that you follow all ethical guidelines throughout the publishing process. Structure and presentation. The structure and presentation should follow the norms of an academic paper, which we will discuss in detail in the next video. Thank you.